Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create and set up a Shopify account. So first you have to go to Shopify and then click the second or third link right here. It will take you directly to their home page. Now if you have your account, just tap on login. If you don't have an account yet and you want to start, you have to click the sign up or create a new account here on Shopify. Basically you have your options. So for me, the easiest way to create an account is by just connecting it to my Google account. Tap this one right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. Confirm your Google account. Click this one again. And then again, wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to Shopify. Now, as you can see, you can use Shopify for free at least 3 days. But if you want to subscribe to their plan, then you can just go to this right side, enter the information needed, and then subscribe. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's just create an account using the free version. So it will ask you these questions. All you have to do is to answer. These are just basic, like if you have or if you want to create a new shop, or do you have existing business, and if you want to help finding new products to sell, you can say no, but actually everything is up to you. So these are just basic questions. And then you just have to answer this, and this is your Shopify account. If you want to create a store and look for the templates, then you can basically go scroll down here, tap on online store. You will see here your current template that you are using. And if you want to use from any of their template right here and design, you just have to click and then make it or publish this as your design. All you have to do is to edit. Okay, so that's how you create your online store. If you want to edit your account, just go to settings. Here you can see payment, billing, shipping information. And if you have your domain and you want to connect your domain here on Shopify, just go to domain. You can buy a domain or connect your domain. And basically, that's how easy it is to create and set up a Shopify account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.